Hi everyone, I am Jaden. I own the Dream Esthetic, and I am so excited to be back and give you all some fresh, new educational content on all things lashes and brows. In this video specifically, I will be talking about how I make my handmade volume fans and give you all my tips and tricks to maybe help you all. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and let's get right into it. So tweezers have a big part in how stressful your volume fan making is going to be. Make sure your tweezers close completely and aren't bent in any way, and make sure you can find your sweet spot. Your sweet spot is a spot where your tweezers completely close. If you go further in the tweezer, as you can see, it's a little opening, so the lashes will just fall. If you stay in that sweet spot, you'll be able to pick the lashes up completely. Another big aspect in making a handmade fan is picking up the lashes in a way where the base is together. You don't want the base all spread out in different lengths, or you will not be able to make a proper fan. Here is an example of fans that were picked up incorrectly and will be super hard to turn into a handmade lash. Notice it's not in the sweet spot. Now pay close attention to what I'm doing. Grip, pull towards me, and pick up. That is what gets that straight across base that you are looking for when you're about to fan. Next, I ensure the lash is next to my pointer finger. Take my thumb and push into my pointer finger, and the fan may not come out perfect the first time, but adjusting with your tweezers and pinching, you will get the perfect fan. Just be patient. I wanted to show both a narrow fan and a wide fan. So there was the narrow fan. Notice the base is very thin and slim, and I'm about to show you all how I do a wide fan. I do the same method with wide fans, just notice the base is smaller, and that is what creates that wide fan out look. Both you can use in a volume set, it is just preference. I would use more wider fans if I was doing a volume set on someone who had very sparse lashes. Here we go again in slow-mo, picking up the lashes, grip, find my sweet spot, then I pull towards me and I pick it up just like that. I do want to point out, even though there are two little scragglies there, you can either pull them away, or because they are in line with the base, I can still go ahead and do the pinching method. Place it near that pointer finger, put my thumb under the tweezer and push. And notice those scragglies, you can't even tell that they were there. Now me personally, I do not get my lashes completely perfect at the base because I use the glue to do that. So I use the swiping method and the pinching method at the same time. As you can see, when I'm swiping, I am just pushing to the side a little bit so the fan can open up a little more to get that perfect fan out effect. Now I did want to show this. Notice these lashes are going everywhere, but the base is still together. So watch how I'm still able to correct this and make a beautiful fan. The base isn't together, but it's okay. I'm using my glue to swipe. And boom. Perfect narrow fan. So as long as that base is together, it does not matter what's happening at the top, because you are going to pinch and fan it out and correct it anyways. Now, I know you're probably thinking, okay, this is just easy to you because you've been doing this a while, or I've taken a class and I still don't get it. One thing that helped me a lot was not thinking about it too much. I know it sounds crazy, but really, do not think about it too much. Once those lashes are next to that pointer finger, it doesn't even take a lot. Take that thumb and push. It could be slight. It does not have to be extremely hard like Incredible Hulk. Up against that pointer finger, and you will get a fan. Use that tweezer, releasing and gripping at the same time, to help you adjust your fan, but it does not have to be a lot. It should not take you 30 minutes to do one fan. Literally just do that technique and you will get it. Just keep repeating over and over. So another tip that I have is to use high quality volume lashes. It makes a big difference in your lashes fanning like butter. The trays that I use are actually from my vendor. I will have my own lash trays coming out soon for you all to try, but for now I'll put down some brands that I really like and I think you all will enjoy too. So for the remainder of the video, I'm just going to keep fanning and showing you all my technique. So just sit back and watch and practice with me. I hope I was able to help you all learn how to hand make fans with some of my tips and tricks. Please note that I do one-on-one lash trainings in my 3 locations: Franklin, Kentucky, Dallas, Texas, and soon Nashville, Tennessee. I would love to teach you all some of my volume tips and tricks face-to-face, so you can book those trainings through my website, www.thedreamesthetic.com, and I also offer payment plans, so that's even better. Also, make sure you are following my socials, my Instagram and TikTok. I post lash and brow tips and tricks, and I also post some of my business tips as a traveling esthetician. So yeah, don't miss out. I can't wait to see you all in the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye!